So welcome sir to Mumbai first of all, and I hope आप पहले भी आए होंगे definitely.
No, 2 years before I came back to Mumbai. Actually, I know Mumbai. I have some friends in Mumbai. Sorry.
Look here, sir.
सामने.
Look center,
Yeah. First of all, good evening, everyone. I know. Actually, I'm so excited. I was watering first time my movie watching.
नहीं
I don't know what to say this time.
उधर वाले ना उधर
I know today is a very special day for us.
अभी ये फोटो की जरूरत नहीं है
You know,
होगा गुरु
Djibouti is my debutant movie. Actually, it is very close to my heart. It is a movie like all kinds of elements like love, music, action, and drama. So I promise you, first of all,
ना तू इधर आया ना
it is going to be a
चेंज कर
fun-filled family entertainer and such a beautiful visual
हाँ हो गया
treat.
ना उधर उधर
You will have to enjoy.
ये मोबाइल शूट करिएगा क्या
भारती इधर से हाँ इधर बैठ गया
मोबाइल
सही है ना बस बीच में तू
Thank you so much
अरे
for
गुरु,
coming by and supporting us
बीच में
for
पाजी
this special day.
सीधे सीधे नहीं
जो भी जी, अब हम आपको आमंत्रित करेंगे. Please come on the stage. Big round of applause. Welcome sir. How are you feeling coming to Mumbai, India?
Almost every month, one time I am coming. My friend Sunilji is there.
Wow.
Good evening, everybody, and especially our chief guest, Salim Bhattji, and Salim Marchandji, and my friend Yogesh Brai advertisement, and my all Djibouti crews, and especially all the medias from Mumbai and the crowd also. Welcome for our this program.
अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और हमारे जो हीरो हैं अमित चखलकल राइट ओके चखालकल ओह माय गॉड सो अमित जी प्लीज वेलकम. अमित जी आपने बहुत सारी फिल्मों में काम किया हुआ है. मैंने आपका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट देखा है. आई चेक्ड इट आउट एंड क्वाइट इम्प्रेसिव. सो बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई एम एक्चुअली नो वन टू से दैट बट अमेजिंग वर्क. सो प्लीज हमारी जो मुंबई की मीडिया है उनसे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you all very much for coming, being here at this, dream come true moment. See, from my part, as Madam said, I've done a lot of movies, but I have not done so much movie. I've just done 17 movies. From that, 4 or 5 movies were as junior artist. I was doing my mechanical engineering, but that time I wanted to be in movie, but I didn't know. I didn't had any of my friends or relatives in the movie. So I was utilizing all the chance to be in front of movie. So I went and asked those people who were in the movie, can I get a chance? Can I get a chance? So 4 or 5 movies I was here and there, dying, living. If somebody come to the theater, make a sneeze, my role will be over. That was the length of my roles.
But it counts.
It counts. It really
counts.
counts because the moment I am standing here, I should thank all the directors and all the producers and whoever have given me, even it is a seconds of chance to be in front of the camera. Because the confidence builds from there, and even each second I was in front of camera, that was building a small, stones of confidence. I don't know how can you relate to this, because being nobody from film industry, I don't have any roots or anything, but I wanted to be an actor. Slowly I started doing character roles, and Djibouti is actually my 4th movie as a lead role. But when Sinu sir came and explained me a story, he first told me the title of the movie is Djibouti, The moment he told me Djibouti, I thought that might be some character name or somebody's name. I never knew there was a country like Djibouti. Then he slowly explained, and when he explained, something was very clear to me. He explained something very clear. Amit, this is not a Malayalam movie. This is not a Hindi movie. This is not a Tamil movie. This is actually an international movie talking about something happening in a country. But this character which you're going to play as a lead, this person is from Kerala. And this is taken out of somebody's real life story. Somebody which has happened really in, real life. There is a character like mine. So since you're from Kerala, I have to explain it as an Malayalam movie, and this character is starting as a Malayalam movie. So few minutes it is staying in Kerala, then it's completely an international movie.
I'm very nervous right now, and this is my first international Malayalam movie, and everything was very challenging for me. सुबह जल्दी उठने से लेकर language learn करना, being
Sorry
with new
to
people.
cut you. Jaldi utna challenge?
Yeah, because I don't wake up early. I'm a night bird, that's why.
Okay.
And so every day was a new challenge for me. Being with them, sitting with them, hearing them what they're talking in Malayalam, and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, so I used to keep looking at their face, and then they helped me with the dialogues. Sir helped me a lot, my co-actor and my team, everybody was very supportive, and I'm really honored to be a part of this. Thank you.
तो मॉडलिंग कब से थी, कब शुरू हुई, क्या हुआ, मतलब यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गए चलते चलते?
First of all, thank you very much for having me here, and it's an honor to be here. And I'm nervous right now. This is my first time, and it's my debut movie. And basically, and by profession, I'm a model.
Yes.
So last year I got an opportunity for this movie, and yeah, sorry, I'm nervous right now.
I can see,
Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Even I'm also nervous. This is my first movie.
कोई बात नहीं.
By profession, I'm a dentist. But acting in movie and playing different characters are really my passion. Thank you, Sinu sir, for giving me sharing my character name, and thank you to my wonderful co-actors. I don't know, I'm really nervous.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो सबको थैंक यू कि आप हमारा बुलाने पे आए और ब्राइट फ्यूचर आप लोग का सबका। और ये फिल्म भी सभी सुपरस्टार की पहली फिल्म मैंने की है, जितने भी सुपरस्टार हैं, शाहरुख भाई, सलमान भाई से लेकर टॉप 50 सुपरस्टार की पहली फिल्म में मैं हिस्सा रहा हूँ। इस फिल्म का भी मैं हिस्सा हूँ, तो मैं दिल से चाहता हूँ कि इनकी पिक्चर भी सुपर हिट हो।
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत अच्छा लगा ट्रेलर, आप सभी को भी शायद बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा। माई हार्टेस्ट कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू सीनू जी एंड ऑल वंडरफुल एक्टर्स, यू लुक ग्रेट एंड ऑल्सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट सर फॉर दिस फिल्म। जिबूती ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स लाइक एन ऑल एंड out and out entertainer. You know, it starts with like a love story, there is a little bit of a travel thing, there's a little bit of a slight comedy which I can feel, and then it turns into a very surprise action drama which I feel is going to be out and out entertainer. My best wishes to Djibouti, my best wishes that it's such a great multilingual film. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मलयाली में है या हिंदी में है या तमिल में, कुछ it's got all the languages. It's जो वर्ल्ड सिनेमा हम कहते हैं, हम देखते, और अभी तो मतलब पैंडेमिक के बाद OTT वगैरह पे इतना कुछ कंटेंट चल रहा है. दिस फिल्म लुक्स लाइक अ परफेक्ट फिट फॉर द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, ना केवल इंडिया में बट पूरी दुनिया में. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ऐसी फिल्में बन रही है और ऐसी फिल्में और बने, ऐसी हमारी इच्छा है, ऐसी हमारी दुआ है. थैंक यू वंस अगेन एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
what you have to say being part of this movie? How great you feel right now being in Mumbai, trailer launch and about the environment you have noticed. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? I mean, look center sir.
Sir, what actually see? Basically, we all are very excited because we were able to do an international movie. That is, we are able to introduce maybe a country, a political wise, a landscape wise, and everything. What is happening in Djibouti. Through a real story, we are able to showcase in entire India, because for that we need language support. That is like we are done. We have done complete dubbing in Hindi, complete dubbing in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, 5 languages and French. So this is like we are able to showcase the entire world what we are able to do as a film, as a culture, and one of my media friend asked me, whenever you're coming up with a new movie, how much this will affect as a tourism. When I was told about Djibouti, I was first time hearing to a country like Djibouti. With this movie, the world will see what is Djibouti, how Djibouti looks like, what is the culture is all about, how the country is all about. So we are able to communicate even that also. So even though this is a real story, we are talking about a romantic drama, action, everything. With that, we are able to communicate to the world regarding the country also.
Just sir, who thought of this Djibouti? Who took out the subject?
Sir, this actually how this subject came out. The character which I am doing, this is actually a real story. Somebody from Kerala moved to Djibouti. What all problems he had to face, and end of the day, this can be a controversy also. The character where this movie end up, this actually happened to a real person. So for that, doing a real justice to the character, we had to shoot this in Djibouti itself. That's the reason we took this movie there, to show completely genuinity to it.
It's in South Africa.
It is an East African country.
I'm asking about your experience. You have a dentist background. So
yes.
What is being part of this acting industry, film industry, and about experiencing part of the movie?
Since childhood, I have been fond of cameras and being in front of cameras. And when some people ask me what is your happiness, I always tell being in front of a camera makes me happy. And I was trying. I kept on trying, and one day Sinu sir, our director, called me and asked me, there is a small role, but it's an important role. Can you play? And I was like, and he told me that it is going to be shooting in Djibouti. And when I heard of that name, like as a common person, we won't think about that country, or we will never go to that place, no. So I told him, yeah, I'm ready. And then he auditioned me, and then he selected me for the part, and I went there. Then I went for 4 days ka shoot, but when I went there, the very next day the airports got closed, and I was there for 3 months. Then it was a wonderful experience with the cast and the crew and the different tradition and the different culture and the food. Everything was different. It's another continent, East Africa, and it was a very beautiful experience. And I hope you all will like the movie and keep supporting. Thank you.
Your experience being part of the industry and
Well, मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत challenging था. Starting from the language till everything, it was very challenging. But मेरे director, हमारे producer, मेरे co-actors, they helped me a lot with the language. Also my stylist, she helped me with the dialogues. She used to give me a script एक दिन पहले. I used to learn it. Next day go on the set. First 2-3 days it was a little difficult, but then I had good people around me, so it went very well.
सभी किरदार को लेके बताएंगे आपका किरदार किस टाइप का है?
So इसमें मैं एक वाइट अफ्रीकन गर्ल का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ. एंड अगर मैंने इससे ज़्यादा आपको कुछ बताया तो स्टोरी रिवील हो जाएगी. So let it be a surprise element for you all.
Thank you. Very emotional moment for you. What you have to say? The launch of the film in Mumbai city of dreams. How is the feeling right now? कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, of course I was excited. Still I'm going to excitement because this is my first movie. I was trying to get back to normal in my emotions. I don't know what to say. I promise you it's a fully entertainment visual treat and fulfill family entertainer. So I hope you will pray and support us, and everything will have to decide
God in December 10th.
And also you mentioned everything is different. I mean, from during the difficult time of COVID to a shoot and PM launching the trailer initially. So what you have to say? How different do you find this movie when you compare to other? I mean, the kind of making and the kind of release it have.
Actually, it's based on a true life event story.
Yes, it can.
Sorry, actually, it's a true event life story. That last 5 years I was searching for a story. I heard a lot of stories, but finally 2018 I get one good story from the real human life from Djibouti. That's why I selected the country of Djibouti for shooting this movie. Actually, it's a fun and survival movie based on a true story. The producer and me decided to full area, almost 75% of shoot is in Djibouti. That time here is no COVID and nothing will happen. After we went to Djibouti, the pandemic started. The shooting during the pandemic was definitely challenging, you know that. But the Djibouti government gave me the full support and everything for this shoot. So we couldn't do any obstacle from the during the shooting time.
सर जिबूटी जो है ये जो आपने स्टोरी लिखा है कहानी के ऊपर वहाँ पे रियल कहानी के ऊपर ठीक है लेकिन जिबूटी जो कंट्री है ये पूरा रशिया अमेरिका और चाइना का जो आर्मी है वो पूरा अड्डा है उनका
एग्जैक्टली
पॉपुलेशन 5 लाख से 6 लाख पॉपुलेशन है वहाँ पे और 23 वर्ग मीटर में वो पूरा
करेक्ट दैट्स इट
तो सर आपने कैसे सोचा इसमें कुछ कहानी बनाया जाए आप कब इसके बारे में रेड किया कब जिबूती के बारे में आपने पता चला
exactly you're telling that actually Djibouti is a army based country. It has many kind of army camp out there including US and China also, but our producer is very strong connection to Djibouti government, so we couldn't get any objection from this kind of shoot, this kind of pandemic. You told me like that there is no population around almost 6 to 10 kilometers of the city. Most of the area was very raw, but whether it is raw, this raw is beautiful.
Sir, being from the modeling industry, how do you feel being in the acting industry?
Raw is beautiful and
it's a very great experience for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, you see.
It's a very great experience for me since I'm into acting last year. So basically I'm a model. So since 6 years. So it's a very good experience for me, and I'm learning the acting, and I'm doing the workshop. I'm learning everything now.
So actors in the South get a lot of value as a villain and a negative character. So what would you say about? I mean, who are you inspired by? Which character you are inspired by? Which villain?
I inspired by myself.
Basically, do you watch regular movies?
Yeah.
So what are the best things you like about South movies?
In South movies, Vijay sir, Allu Arjun sir, and Dhanush sir.
So any incident, any memorable incident or film you have while shooting on the film?
Actually, it was very challenging for me.
All the action
Every moment. And since it was my dream come true. You know, बचपन में मैं अपने मम्मा को बोलता था कि मूवीज़ देखता था तो बचपन में मम्मा को बोलता था कि मुझे भी मूवी में काम करना और मुझे विलन बनना और एक्शन मूवी में काम करना है. So वो मेरा it's like a dream come true. तो मेरी पहली मूवी, you know.
What's about all the team, producer, director, all the co-stars of yours?
Yeah, so they are very supportive and they were very encouraging me and supporting me. So how to do not, so everything. They are very supporting. They are very nice people, and you know people says about South Indian people कि यार they are very rude by their talking. They don't know how to talk, English and Hindi. They always अपनी लैंग्वेज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो बड़ा हिंदी में बात नहीं करते सो, बट मेरे हिसाब से सबसे ज़्यादा ये नॉर्थ इंडिया को ही प्रमोट कर रहे हैं मेरे हिसाब से।
थैंक यू। और वेरी प्राउड फीलिंग, आई मीन लॉन्चिंग द ट्रेलर इन मुंबई, कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
मूवी हमारा जिबूटी मूवी है, उसके लिए हम अच्छा प्राउड है। वो मूवी बना हुआ है और पूरा क्रूज के लिए मैं बोला है अच्छा, एक प्राउड मेरे को अभी आप लोग के साथ भी मैं बोल रहे अच्छा मूवी है। आप लोग मूवी देखने के बाद आपको मालूम हो जाएगा ये मूवी कैसे है करके, ठीक है। एंटायरली डिफरेंट स्टोरी है पूरा। अभी मैं डायरेक्टर मेरा दोस्त है, मैं उसका ये नहीं बोल रहा क्यों, वो सब मिला के बना हुआ है। अगर ऐसे मूवी हम लोग मेरे हिसाब से 5 साल में एक मूवी आता है, इसके लिए हर जगह ये मूवी के लिए हम लोग देख सकते हैं, हर फैमिली देख सकता है। फिर दूसरा एक और मेन चीज़ भी है, हम लोग पढ़ने के बाद हम लोग को क्या दिमाग में एक चीज़ होता है, एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब होता है। गवर्नमेंट जॉब के बाद हम लोग का क्या थिंकिंग होता है, बाहर जाने का है। बाहर देश में कोई लड़का हमारा इंडिया से नहीं कोई भी कंट्री से जाएगा तो उधर क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं। ये फिल्म में आप लोग ट्रेलर में देखा है 20,000 मिलेगा तो हमको 40,000 मिलेगा उधर जाके। हम लोग ऐसे लोग कोशिश करके ऐसे मिलेगा करके जा रहे हैं, उधर जाके प्रॉब्लम्स होएगा, उधर हमको फीलिंग्स होता है, वो फीलिंग ये मूवी में आया हुआ है। हम बाहर देश जाने वाले को सबके लिए एक पॉइंट भी है, वो सब संभालना है।
What about the cast and about director of the film? एस.जे. सिनू कैसे मतलब डिसाइड किया किसको लेना है?
ये अभी देखो एस.जे. सिनू वो एक अच्छा सीरियल हमारा साउथ का उपमड़ो का डायरेक्टर था, वो ये मेरा दोस्त है। सिनू एक्चुअली मेरा हम लोग क्लासमेट्स है। इसके लिए मैं बोला उनको एक स्टोरी ऐसी है उनको करने का, उसको बहुत पसंद हो गया और फिर वो खुद कास्टिंग के लिए बहुत आदमी को कास्टिंग करने के लिए कोशिश किया। उसी टाइम वो कास्ट वाला को हमको नहीं मिला था क्योंकि हम लोग नया कंपनी है, नया मूवी बनाएगा तो कोई डायरेक्टर को डेट्स देने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हुआ था। फिर अमित भी अच्छा था। मैं उसी टाइम भी सिनू को एक ही चीज़ बोला, ये मूवी में कौन एक्ट कर रहा है वो तो एक सुपरस्टार होएगा।
लास्टली योगेश भाई, सबसे बड़ी एजेंसी है मतलब इंडिया में कह सकते हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
योगेश भाई मेरा अच्छा दोस्त भी है, मेरा भाई है, सब है, समझ गया ना। योगेश भाई मेरे साथ अभी है नॉर्थ में, इसके लिए मैं क्या बोल सकता है, ऐसे का इंसान को मेरे को मिला हुआ है। ये सब फिल्म का इंडस्ट्री का पूरा बड़ा किया हुआ है भी, ये भी है, इनको सबको मिला हुआ है बॉलीवुड का पूरा स्टार्स को। ऐसे मेरे को एक मौका मिला, मेरा मूवी इनको दे रहे पूरा काम।
पहला तो सर बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2 ये जो मूवी है इसमें फैमिली ड्रामा है, एक्शन है, कॉमेडी है, लव स्टोरी है और एवरीथिंग है और एक साफ़ सुथरी फैमिली मूवी बहुत दिन के बाद कोरोना के बाद आ रही है। तो मेरा सबसे अनुरोध है कि ऐसे क्लीन पिक्चर को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, फैमिली मूवी को देखना चाहिए। और सभी सुपरस्टार की 10,000 से ज़्यादा मूवी का काम मैंने किया है, सब मेरा हाथ से लक्की है तो सुपर हिट हुई है। सर की फिल्म भी चले और इनका भी फिल्म में जो इन्होंने मेहनत किया है, जो रिस्क लिया, इनकी टीम को जो उन्होंने संभाला कोरोना में, और बहुत मतलब इनके लिए सैल्यूट है और बहुत अच्छा काम सर ने किया।
योगेश भाई थिएटर वापस ओपन हो गए, क्या कहना चाहोगे, लोगों को अपील भी क्या करना?
सर सूर्यवंशी का कैंपेन आपने देखा होगा, बॉम्बे में टॉक ऑफ द टाउन, वो पूरा मैंने किया है और अभी बहुत सी पिक्चर का काम आने लगे। तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत खुशी की बात है कि 1.5 साल से धंधा भी बंद था, खाली मूवी का नहीं, मेरा तो बहुत कॉर्पोरेट क्लाइंट भी है, लेकिन मूवी चालू होने से एक जरा मज़ा आता है। एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री है ना, दुनिया में हर इंसान को एक स्ट्रेस है, टेंशन है। एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है जहाँ लोग जाके पिक्चर देख के अपना समय अच्छा से बिता सकते हैं। तो वापस लोग आ गए थिएटर में, वापस लोग फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है बहुत सी, तो बहुत खुशी की बात है और बहुत अच्छी बात है और बिजनेस भी आगे बहुत बढ़ने वाला है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।